Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2025 which is from the paper 2. It is from the solution chapter. If you see in this question, what has been asked is at 300 Kelvin an ideal dilute solution of macromolecule exerts a osmotic pressure of that is expressed in terms of height of the solution. Density is given as this for this solution, where H is equal to 2 cm. If the concentration of the dilute solution of the macromolecule is 2 gram per decimeter cube, the molar mass of the macromolecule is calculated as x into 10 raised to the power 4 gram per mole. The value of x is. So how to do this question? Let us start this solution. First, we know that the pi equals to CRT, and also pressure from this as H into rho into G, and we know the height is given as 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter, and density will be, density is given here in 1 for the solution as 1 gram per centimeter cube, which can be written for the 1 gram per centimeter cube, it can be written as 1000 kg per meter cube into G is 10 meter per second. So we will get the answer pi as in the Pascal, which is 200 Pascal. So we get the answer as 200 Pascal. So now when we put it here, 200 Pascal is equals to C. C is the concentration, and here we have given the concentration as 2 gram per decimeter cube, and 2 gram per decimeter cube can also be written as 2 kg per meter cube. So now here it will be 2 kg per meter cube divided by molar into R. The value of R will be 8.3 joules per mole per Kelvin, joules per mole per Kelvin. The temperature is 300 Kelvin. Now if we solve this, we will get the molar mass will be equals to 2 by 200 into 8.3 into 300. So the correct answer, the molar mass in kg will be 8.3 into 3 into kg per mole, which will be equals to 24.9 kg per mole. Now in grams it can be written as 2.49 into 10 raised to the power 4 gram per mole. So when you match this, it is asking in the 10 raised to the power 4. That's why the answer should be this. So the value of x should be 2.49. Thank you so much for listening.